Hello, this is Mark from ILO's Locksmiths. Today we're going to talk about the Yale keyless entry touchscreen deadbolt. As you can see, this Yale Real Living digital lock can replace your existing deadbolt in providing you a convenient code access to your home. You can choose from a beautiful selection of touchscreen, which we have here, or a push button, and even a key-free option and a finish to match your home. Yale offers the only locks with a sleek capacitive touchscreen that wakes with a touch and can be programmed in 3 different languages. Code lockout modes, tamper alerts, fully gasketed insulation, and 9-volt battery backup on key-free models are just a few of the innovations that separate Yale as a leader in residential digital technology. So let's wake this thing up and show you how it works. Simply place your palm of your hand over the lock. It wakes up and enter your code. And that's it. Retracts the bolt, and when it's after a minute or two, it will actually lock back. It's a feature that you can add when you can program it that way, or you can simply just put your hand back on it and it will lock it. Very cool. Now, when you take the time to look at this Yale Real Living deadbolt, look close and you can immediately see its distinct and substantial quality of materials. Nobody can match Yale's security, physical, and electronic characteristics. Take, for instance, the fact the lock comes with a user-adjustable wrong code alarm, a tamper alarm, and privacy button. Even more impressive, the lock has this rubber gasket backing on the keypad, which protects your door and seals against moisture. Now, Yale has partnered with some top security and home innovation companies to enable wireless connectivity between locks and other devices in your home. Once connected, Yale locks enable a high level of functionality, convenience, and control that no other single device can provide. It's a great lock. I highly recommend it. And that's it for now. Thank you.